Evening, welcome back to my channel, and this time we're going to fix a little niggle on the Vectra. Okay, so we're going to fix the, there's a little niggle on this, and it'll help it to, fixing it will help with selling it. I'll show you what it is. It's these vents now. If you look on that one is fine. But if I close that one, you can see there's the bottom one doesn't close. It's still there. It's actually broken off here. And apparently it's a common problem with the Vectra C. It's quite an easy fix. You just glue it back together. It's as simple as that. But first we need to get these vents out. Right, to get to these vents I need to remove this bit of trim. So I'll try to prise it out with a screwdriver. Hopefully I don't do too much damage to it. It should just prise out. According to the ends, there we go. Okay, gently prise it out. It says use a plastic spatula, but I've just got to go with whatever I have to hand. I need to be careful, don't want to get it where you lot. I think I'm going to have to go around. Good job I didn't park right up to these bushes, so it should just prise out. And there, I managed to get it out without any major dramas. So I'll deal with that later on. So now these are, I think, probably T20s. Let's have a look. And that one by the driver's door is fine, but it's just these two, so I need to get these two out. And looks like I guessed right, T20. You can get this back in, that's ready to go back in. And with the two screws out, it should just be a matter of prising it out. And I've got the first one out, so I'll need to take the front bit off and then we can start fixing them. Right, I'll get this other one out and I won't bore you with that. I've managed to get them both out, so we'll take them inside and we need to dismantle it a bit further. Need to take this front bit off and then we can do the repair. Right, and I'll show you on this one, on the outer vent, when you can see the bottom one doesn't shut. So what we need to do is need to get this cover off. Just a matter of prising it off here. And here, and I think that should free it off. And there we go. So I don't know if you can see that. See, there's that bottom one that's not opening. We just need to get this apart a bit more. Yes, if you can see it there, down there, see where it's broken off. So it's just a matter of getting this, get this out, so we can repair it. Worst case scenario is a replacement, but I don't think we need to do that. And that's don't even know I can dismantle it any further. I think it might be doable. Yep. And there we go, it's out. So let's have a look. Yeah, oh yeah, there you can see where it's broken off there. So we'll try some super glue. Dab on each of the surfaces. And then we'll just press it together. And if it works, we'll have a fully functioning flap. Oops, slipped. Okay, we're all done. Let's have a look, just quickly test this one. Yep, that's working. You can see that bottom one. No, just a bit low to unfortunately that's not worked. Okay, it's all buttoned up now, so I think the glue's dried on this one, because this one is closing. You can see the vents opening and closing. And no, well, I can't be bothered to do any more. For some reason, the glue's it's not sticking. Anyway, I'll leave it at that for now. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like and subscribe. comments and questions, just put them down below. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.